So I believe so many persons here have been waiting for my next lesson on our Memecoin trading tutorial. So now I told you guys that the buying mechanism that you're using is important because your time of entry and time of exit is very important. You have to be fast. Now, most of those accounts I showed you, if you check the previous video, you will see that most of them enter and left in less than 10 seconds. So in less than 10 seconds, they made profit and they've left. So you can't be that fast with the traditional swapping platform. So I introduce you guys to Axiom. So if you don't have an Axiom account, you can use this link in that's showing right here to get an Axiom account. Register. It's very simple. So now I'm going to show you guys how the Axiom account actually works. So I'm going to switch my camera right now. So the moment you open an Axiom account, this is how it looks. You can see here. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so it looks a bit confusing with a lot of meme coins popping in and out. Okay, so but don't get confused. Now I'm going to explain what every single taps actually mean right here. So now here we have the new pairs, then we have the final stretch, and then we have the migrated pairs. Now the new pairs are the one that just got launched, like they just got launched. Okay, you can see some of them here 2 seconds, 3 seconds ago. These are just being launched, and a lot of pairs are launched into the market every seconds. Okay, then the final stretch. This is the final stretch. Meme coin is always migrated to, especially those that are launched on Pump Fund. Pump Fund is a platform where you can use to launch a meme coin, by the way. So this is the stage they get to before they are migrated into Radium and more better liquidity platform. So here is the migrated meme coin. These ones have been migrated. So you can trade any one of them or all of them. So most people focus on new pairs, most people focus on final stretch, most people focus on migrated, but you can trade any one of them. Now, if you check here at this top here, it's showing that you can trade with Solana on Solana, Hood, that's Robinhood chain, and BNB chain. Before now, it was just Solana, but they've added this more chain. And I believe as time goes on, we'll be having Ethereum and other chains added to this platform. Now, also here, now we have Discover, we have Pros, we have Trackers, we have Perpetual, we have Prediction, we have Vision, we have Portfolio, and we have Reward. Then we have Solana right here. So if you deposited Solana, if you're on Solana chain, so now I can decide to switch there from Solana to any of the chain, to Ethereum or something thereabout. So now you can deposit here. To deposit, you click here. So all this section has to do with your account. Okay, while this section has to do with Discover, where they show you some other new launches. The pros, when you click on the pros, that's when you bring out interface like this. Normally, this is the actual interface you look at, you see on the platform. Okay, so when you log in for the first time, this is how you come to the Discover page, where they recommend tokens for you, the trending one and the search, and then their time frame. So they recommend that. So now, but I always click on pause to see all this, to classify them into new pair, final stretch, and migrated. Then the tracker section is where you track wallet. The tracker section is where you track wallet. You will see all the wallet you are tracking. So yours will be empty if you are not tracking any wallet right here. Then on the side here, they have social media tracker. This one is not based on the wallet you actually entered here. This one is based on what is trending social media a lot. Okay. Then we have the PEPs perpetual right here. That's if you want to be trading PEPs right on this platform. So you can actually trade PEPs. You can select your pairs from here and trade the same way you trade on your Binance or your Bybit. Then we have prediction right here. The prediction section is is where you come to make your prediction. I think Polymarket is integrated into this platform, so it allows you to trade on Polymarket directly from here. You can see you can do spot prediction, crypto prediction, spot prediction, politics, watch list, and multi-view. You can even have multi-view right here on this platform. So you can see how amazing it is. Then we have the vision. Let me click on the vision. The vision section, exit, I'm exiting. Okay, the vision section has to do with your So the vision section has to do with traders that are on this platform and their P&L or how much profit they made. So in case you want to copy anyone that is on this platform, you can actually grab their details and then add them to the tracker section. Then we'll have your portfolio. Then we'll have your reward if you refer anybody. So that is just the simple description of this platform. Now let's go back to pause. Now on the pause, the next thing that I'm going to be showing you guys is describing how you set, because on this pause section here, next thing I'm going to show you guys how you do your settings right here, because you can set how you want the tokens to display. Because if you just go on to buy anyone you see here, you end up buying too many rocks so many times. So there are minimum settings that we make here that enables us to filter out some of the bad eggs. You cannot filter out every single one of the bad eggs, but there are some settings we do here to filter out some of the bad eggs, and then and then after that setting, and then I'll show you what each of these metric means in subsequent videos. So make sure that you're following me right away. So with all that being said, I need you to click or copy this link into your browser and then register an account for yourself. Make sure you store your seed phrase privately. Now, this will request you to register with your email and then maybe create a wallet or import a wallet. So whichever one you want to do. But make sure that the seed phrase that is given to you or private key that is given to you on the platform, make sure you save it really well. Okay. So let me know if you actually understand or what next you'd like me to show you in our next video, apart from the things that I've listed right here.